Good morning. Welcome to Merivit Education Center. This is for Science in English M.2. We will learn vocabulary words about the nervous system. Do you have any idea about words related to the nervous system? Well, if you don't, let's continue and find out. Here are our main objectives. First, students are able to learn new words about the nervous system. Second, students are able to learn the meanings of the words. And third, students are able to pronounce the words correctly. Here are some words related to our topic, the nervous system. Are you ready? Number 1, nervous system. Number 2, central nervous system. Number 3, peripheral nervous system. Number 4, brain. Number 5, spinal cord. Number 6, medulla oblongata. Number 7, cerebellum. Number 8, cerebellum. Number 9, thalamus. Number 10, hypothalamus. And number 11, neuron. Please repeat the word after me. Nervous system. Good job! Let's read its meaning. The network of nerve cells and fibers which transmits nerve impulses between parts of the body. Now let's start reading the sample sentence. Our nervous system helps detect changes from inside the body and outside environment to generate responses to the changes. Can you try reading the sentence on your own? Excellent! Please repeat the word after me. Central nervous system. Good job! Let's read its meaning. The complex of nerve tissues that controls the activities of the body. In vertebrates, it comprises the brain and the spinal cord. Now let's start reading the sample sentence. The central nervous system consists of the brain and the spinal cord. Can you try reading the sentence on your own? Fabulous! Please repeat the word after me. Peripheral nervous system. Good job! Let's read its meaning. The part of the nervous system that is outside the central nervous system and comprises the cranial nerves, excepting the optic nerve, the spinal nerves, and the autonomic nervous system. Now let's start reading the sample sentence. The human nervous system is made up of two main components, namely the central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system. Can you try reading the sentence on your own? Marvelous! Please repeat the word after me. Brain. Good job! Let's read its meaning. An organ of soft nervous tissue contained in the skull of vertebrates, functioning as the coordinating center of sensation and intellectual and nervous activity. Now let's start reading the sample sentence. The brain is encased in the bony skull, which protects it from injuries. Can you try reading the sentence on your own? Brilliant! Please repeat the word after me. Spinal cord. Good job! Let's read its meaning. The cylindrical bundle of nerve fibers and associated tissue which is enclosed in the spine and connects nearly all parts of the body to the brain, with which it forms the central nervous system. Now let's start reading the sample sentence. The spinal cord is protected by the spinal column. Can you try reading the sentence on your own? Outstanding! Please repeat the word after me. Medulla oblongata. Good job! Let's read its meaning. The continuation of the spinal cord within the skull, forming the lowest part of the brainstem and containing the control centers for the heart and the lung. Now let's start reading the sample sentence. The medulla oblongata controls and coordinates all involuntary actions. Can you try reading the sentence on your own? Outstanding! Please repeat the word after me. Cerebellum. Good job! Let's read its meaning. The principal and most anterior part of the brain in vertebrates, located in the front area of the skull and consisting of two hemispheres, the left and the right, separated by a fissure. Now let's start reading the sample sentence. The cerebellum is the largest part of the brain. Can you try reading the sentence on your own? Admirable! Please repeat the word after me. Cerebellum. Good job! Let's read its meaning. That part of the brain at the back of the skull in vertebrates. It functions to coordinate and regulate muscular activity. Now let's start reading the sample sentence. The cerebellum is located below the cerebrum near the top of the spinal cord. Can you try reading the sentence on your own? Tremendous! Please repeat the word after me. Thalamus. Good job! Let's read its meaning. Either of two masses of gray matter lying between the cerebral hemispheres on either side of the third ventricle, relaying sensory information and acting as a center for pain perception. Now let's start reading the sample sentence. The thalamus is responsible for the incoming and outgoing information in the brain. Can you try reading the sentence on your own? Tremendous! Please repeat the word after me. Hypothalamus. Good job! Let's read its meaning. A region of the forebrain below the thalamus which coordinates both the autonomic nervous system and the activity of the pituitary. Now let's start reading the sample sentence. The hypothalamus plays an important role in homeostasis regulation. Can you try reading the sentence on your own? Good job! Please repeat the word after me. Neuron. Good job! Let's read its meaning. A specialized cell transmitting nerve impulses A nerve cell. Now let's start reading the sample sentence. The human nervous system is made up of nerve cells called neurons. Can you try reading the sentence on your own? Incredible!